What if I told you the leaves of the plantain tree are a secret weapon for your health? Here at Vicalis Herbal Tea, we're committed to bringing you the highest quality herbal teas from the heart of Ghana. And today, we're talking about plantain leaves. The leaves of plantain contain allantoin, which promotes healing skin, and tannin, which helps to draw tissues together. Plantain leaf tea has been used to treat all kinds of respiratory ailments, such as coughs, sore throats, bronchitis, and laryngitis. It's also been used for gastrointestinal issues. We handpick, wash, dry, and package our herbs cleanly right here in Accra, Ghana, and we ship worldwide and let nature